Adobe Sign positions itself as a leading e-signature solution, but does it live up to the hype? With so many options available, I'm curious to see if Adobe Sign truly stands out in the crowded digital signature market. Adobe Sign is designed to streamline the signing process for documents, allowing users to send, sign, and manage documents electronically. The interface feels familiar, especially if you've used other Adobe products, which is a plus. Setting up a document for signature is straightforward. You can upload files from various sources, including cloud storage, which is quite handy. However, while the core functionality is solid, I did notice that some users might find the initial setup a bit overwhelming due to the multitude of features available. The intended audience ranges from small businesses to large enterprises, so it aims to cater to a broad spectrum of users. One immediate standout is the integration with other Adobe products, which can be beneficial for those already in the Adobe ecosystem. Still, I found the pricing structure a bit complex, and there's limited clarity on the differences between plans, which might give potential buyers pause. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Adobe Sign offers a seamless integration with existing Adobe products, which can enhance productivity for users already familiar with their suite. The ability to track document status in real time is also a significant advantage. On the flip side, the pricing can be a sticking point. While Adobe Sign provides robust features, those features come at a cost, and the lack of transparency in pricing tiers may confuse potential users. Additionally, some users might feel that the platform is overly complex for basic signing needs, making it less suitable for smaller businesses or casual users who just need something simple. Overall, it seems like a great tool for larger organizations, but it may not be the best fit for everyone. In conclusion, Adobe Sign is a powerful e-signature platform worth considering, especially for businesses already using Adobe products. However, if you're a small business or an individual looking for something straightforward and budget-friendly, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's a solid choice, but clarity in pricing and features could definitely improve the experience.